Hey Peeps, it's Shannon and Cassandra here, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's not quite a challenge.
No, it's like a challenge, but not.
So, Shannon was driving along one day, and she wondered if people could hear her when she screams in her car, because she's kind of loud.
A little.
A lot. So we're going to find out how soundproof Shannon's car is.
We're going to test both of us yelling and screaming and being obnoxiously loud in the car. And then we're also going to be testing music. We have Take Me to the Pilot to help us out. And we will be listening to their new album, Time's Up. So, I guess, let's do this?
Yeah.
All right.
Ow.
That was really hard.
Pego kupayo! To pego kupayo! Ah, 진짜! Wow! So much red in just like a span of 2 seconds. There's so much red. Too much red. Come on! What are you doing? Move! Move your car!
Keep going.
Oh, shut up! Yeah, okay, up your ass too. Thanks, buddy.
One more thing I have to clean! Today could not be going better or worse! It's just neutral! Oh, come on! That's not actually a turn! Have you heard of turn signals? Seriously! What the hell is wrong with you people? Oh my god! That is not a turn lane! Seriously! If you don't like my driving, get off the sidewalk! peeps, so that was testing the audio in my car. Obviously, it turns out you can't hear Cassandra when she's yelling. But
You can hear Shannon, all right.
I guess it's because I'm higher pitched. So I guess I should aim for going lower from now on. What do you mean you're turning left and you didn't say no?
I think you still went pretty high on that.
God damn it. Okay, so
Find your demon voice.
Enough.
That's what you need to do from now on.
That's not a turn lane! So that being said, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out our channel and other stuff if you liked it. And we'll be around.
Bye.
Yeah.
Basically.
So until next time, go out and play, peeps!
This really cool video tutorial of like a Halloween makeup thing where basically she drew another face on her
room together. Who would walk out alive?
Malfoy! Malfoy would die so quickly. First of all.